Hey everyone! In this video we'll explore how Docker containers differ from classic virtual machines. I'll walk you through performance and resource usage, show a live Docker command, and finish with practical tips for when to use each technology. Many teams wonder whether to spin up a full VM or a lightweight container. Virtual machines bring extra CPU, memory, and storage overhead because they run an entire guest OS, while containers promise faster startup and lower footprint. Understanding this trade-off is key for cost-effective infrastructure. The core difference lies in the operating system layer. Docker containers share the host's kernel, so they're much smaller and start in seconds. VMs, on the other hand, emulate hardware and load a complete OS, which adds latency and consumes more RAM and disk space. Now let's see it in action. I'll launch an Alpine Linux container in detached mode that simply sleeps for an hour. Notice the command finishes instantly, and the container uses only a few megabytes of memory compared to a full VM that would need hundreds. Use containers for microservices, CI pipelines, and fast-scaling workloads where you need quick spin-up. Reserve VMs for workloads requiring a full OS, kernel modifications, or strict isolation. Avoid running containers as root in production and be mindful of storage drivers to prevent data loss. To sum up, containers give you speed and efficiency by sharing the host kernel, while VMs provide complete isolation at the cost of resources. Pick the right tool for your workload, follow the best practice tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.